SCXT reducers are part of Dodge's industry-leading torque arm family of products. These heavy-duty gearboxes mount to the trough end of the screw conveyor, providing high levels of reliability, reducing downtime, and lowering total operating costs. This video demonstrates the installation of screw conveyor adapters using standard drive shafts. This video should be used to supplement manual numbers MN1611. Use all required personal protective equipment. Disable equipment using proper lockout-tagout procedures. Gather all required tools and components. The gearbox assembly includes the gearbox, shaft retainer, retaining bolt, and lock washer. The screw conveyor adapter kit includes an adapter, seals, seal retaining ring, key, and hardware. You will also need the correctly sized drive shaft and, if needed, an adjustable packing kit. If using the standard lip seal, place the adapter on the bench with the large trough end up. Place the lip seal in the adapter and use a seal driver to tap the outer diameter of the seal evenly until it is flush with the surface of the adapter. Install the retaining ring or large washer by tapping lightly and evenly with a hammer. If using the adjustable packing kit, position the adapter on the bench with the large trough end up. The kit includes a packing retainer, braided seals, threaded studs, and nuts. This produces a barrier that keeps the material in the trough and prevents foreign material from traveling down the shaft and into the gearbox. First, install the two threaded studs from the trough end using a flathead screwdriver in the slotted end of the studs. Install the studs just far enough to allow the packing retainer flange to clear the top of the studs on the opposite side. For some smaller sizes, it may be necessary to place the adapter into place before running the studs down. You will now install the packing kit from the trough side and then the keeper plate. Install the retainer ring or large washer by tapping lightly and evenly with a hammer. Now, flip the adapter, placing the large trough end down on the workbench. Install the nuts hand tight. Do not tighten these nuts with a tool until the drive shaft has been installed. Safely support the gearbox so that the adapter can be installed on the gearbox side. Dodge screw conveyor adapters are designed with openings to allow foreign material to drop out of the system, preventing contamination. Install the 4 bolts with washers and tighten them to the specified torque rating in the instruction manual. Next, install the drive shaft through the adapter and into the gearbox, leading with the end that is drilled and tapped for the retaining bolt. Align the keyway in the drive shaft with the keyway in the output hub of the gearbox and install the key. Install the shaft retainer, lock washer, and bolt, and torque to the specified value located in the instruction manual. Finally, as much as possible, hand tighten the nuts on the packing retainer, and then rotate one additional turn with a wrench. Once in operation, these nuts can be retightened if the braided seals wear during normal operation. Braided seals can be replaced as needed. This completes the installation of SCXT screw conveyor adapter assembly installation and removal. Contact Dodge Applications Engineering for installation questions. We have put product support at your fingertips. For our online selection program, visit ptwizard.com. For our e-commerce platform, authorized customers can visit dodge.ptplace.com.